Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. And if the temperatures look kind of familiar today, they should, as we'll be pretty close to what we experienced yesterday. Actually running a little bit warmer this morning. Yesterday morning in the 50s, this morning starting out in the 60s, and should have similar midday temperatures. So by lunchtime today, kind of pushing 80 degrees, and we will see highs again in the low to mid 80s today. A lot of cloud cover out there, but we probably will not see any rain pop up until probably the late afternoon or early evening today, and the rain will not be for everyone. It will be likely confined to the northern Arklatex here a little bit later in the day. We have a dry line back here, and that's kind of what will be the trigger for maybe some of those late day showers, but you should go about most of the day Tuesday without seeing any raindrops here. Your temperatures, most locations in the 60s, a little bit cooler north of I-30 where we're starting out in the 50s, but I think everybody will enjoy at least the air temperature this morning. It is breezy again, so beware of that. We'll have some south wind gusts similar to yesterday. The wind should be gusting up to about 20 miles per hour. And of course, that south wind continues to pull all of that warm and humid Gulf air into the region, so you will feel a little more humidity today now that we've had that south breeze for about 2 days here. But you can see your highs similar to yesterday, as we'll wind up in the low to mid 80s this afternoon. Here's a wide look at the weather pattern. You can see the upper level low that's now in the desert southwest, so that's going to continue to churn up disturbance after disturbance, which will move into the Arklatex here, and eventually we will see a cold front move through on Thursday. So right now it looks like Thursday will be the day we do see some widespread showers and thunderstorms. But for your Tuesday here, you can see futurecasts popping up a little bit of late day rain here north of Interstate 30, so it's possible we could see a stray shower or two between now and about 3 or 4 p.m. That would take us closer to sunset tonight, and you can see some of the rain in Oklahoma and East Texas. That's where your rain chances will be a little bit higher this evening, but notice a lot of this does fizzle out before it makes its way through the remainder of the region. For your Wednesday, I would expect similar weather conditions, but it actually may turn into one of the warmest days we've had so far in 2021. In fact, upper 80s in the forecast for us tomorrow, and then Thursday will be the day we do see that cold front finally make its way through the region. That will cool us a bit Thursday into Friday, but also bring some widespread showers and storms on Thursday. As of right now, we're not in the severe weather outlook for Thursday, and you can see with the storms out there today, they're expecting more kind of robust severe weather threat from Texas up into Oklahoma and Kansas. It doesn't include the Arklatex, but a few of these storms could hold together long enough that we see maybe a high wind gust close to Red River or McCurtain County, but again, the overall severe weather threat is low. Between now and Thursday night, we'll have to watch the potential for maybe some heavy rain here. A lot of the forecast models indicating about 2 to 4 inches of rain here across the northern Arklatex, with those totals tapered as you head further to the south here, so we may see a bit of a heavy rain threat, especially with the rain that we'll see late Wednesday into Thursday there across the northern Arklatex. But right now it looks like the rain will kind of peter out on Friday. Pretty nice day Friday, as we'll have highs in the mid-70s. And one change to the 7-day forecast have actually put the chance of rain back in this weekend. We have 2 of the 3 major forecast models indicating a little disturbance moving along the Louisiana and Texas coastline, so that could keep some rain in the forecast Saturday and especially Sunday. So if you have any outdoor plans for the weekend, make sure you're checking back for updates. We'll either see those numbers go up or down here as we continue through the next few days.